Today we are going to make Chinese pakora. It's an easy recipe. So stay with me till the end of the video. Mix all of the ingredients: 1 cup carrots, 1 cup cabbage, 4 or 5 green chilies, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 cup of flour. Then add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, baking powder, and 1 egg. Add water as required, like seen in the video. Take that batter in your hand and put in hot oil for frying. Make a small biteable size pakora. Not too big, it will not cook from the inside properly. Fry it for few minutes, take it out of the oil, it's ready to eat. You can have it with the sauce of your choosing. It's a crunchy, crispy afternoon snack. Enjoy your afternoon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.